If you want to grow blueberries in your garden, it's important to choose the right variety for your climate. Blueberries need acidic soil, plenty of sun, and regular watering. They're easy to grow and can produce fruit for up to 20 years. Just be patient, because blueberries can take a few years to produce a good crop. Did you know that blueberries can be used to dye fabric? Or that the blueberry is the official state fruit of New Jersey? How about the fact that blueberries are sometimes called star berries because of the star-shaped indentation on the fruit? I bet you didn't know all of that. There are more than 450 different varieties of blueberries. They come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. Some common types of blueberries include highbush, lowbush, and rabbit-eye. Each variety has its own unique taste and is suited for different growing conditions. Blueberries are not only delicious, but they're also incredibly healthy. They're low in calories and high in fiber, making them the perfect snack. They're also packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, they're rich in vitamin C and vitamin K,